So here we are, everyone. We're at Andasibe, visiting the various parks in the area, which are good for seeing a lot of Madagascar's wildlife in one place. It's a bit upsy downsy. It's quite hilly. Reminds me a lot of Uganda and looking for gorillas, really. Same sort of concept. You're walking around the forest trying to find elusive animals that are hiding there. Anyway, tonight we are going on a night walk, which in a country that has nothing dangerous or poisonous is actually quite a nice idea. Anyway, I'll let you know how that gets on. So Franklin, tell me, why are we walking along the road and what are we looking for? Look here. This is what we're looking for.
That's a damsel flies.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Okay, so going to answer about your question. The reason why walking in the road is for spotting the mouse lemurs. That's the best place where we can find the mouse lemurs. We can find the mouse lemurs here in this forest, but the easiest place to find them is along the road because it's a much space which is attracting the insects and which is the main food for the mouse lemurs. And now we go in the forest just to look for those big lemurs like woolly lemurs, fat-tailed dwarf lemurs, and mouse lemurs also. So this spider have 4 lines holding on from the branch. This, and this. So this play as like elastics, and when he's still holding the square, the web square in the middle, but when he releases it, this web and this pull the square straight down here. So he's waiting something passing through these twigs, and when the insects or other small tiny species pass here, he release it and this catch the insects there. That's why we call it the throwing spider.
That's so cool. Nasty one. You just see this tiny little side.
And a spider. Maybe it's a spider hunting scorpion.
Oh,
And we've just ruined his night.
he spent the last 4 days talking.
That spider. Yeah.
Can you hear that sound? Yesterday I told you about the grenadier's frog. There is a stream at Delhi. The big frog we saw with Justin Cloud. You remember the big one?
Yeah.
Yes. There is a stream that they live. There is a stream in this bush. Grenadier's frog.
Too much light for you?
Breeding.
Yes, the explosive breeder.
Yeah. It's that one.
It's a local village.
So everywhere in Madagascar, when you see something wrapping by tissue like this, like red or white color, this is always sacred. And people can come here to ask like a wish or benediction. This tree is this is a very unique tree. This one, the big one. And it was discovered by a Sakalava tribe long time ago. And no one discovered yet what kind of tree is this. Until now. Then there was many scientists that came down here to take like DNA to check for the to make the identification, but no one knows for now what kind of species is it. And from the saying and hearing story, if we cut a piece of this bark or if you cut the trees, there is a bloody. Yeah.
And so that's the myth.
That's I think it's not. Is it a myth, or that's real?
That way, this tree is called unknown tree. The blood is not really true because, yeah, but just if you cut this tree, you should have a bad thing after you got cut this, like accident or like, yeah,